Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be going through my makeup. I'll try to get through as much as I can. I don't know how much I'm going to get through, but I was going through my makeup, clearing it out, and so I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm getting rid of and all that. And I tell you, I've had a makeup channel now. I think I've been doing this for 5 years now. I don't have a lot of makeup. Do you see that behind me? Do you see that? Okay. I have a little bit in there. This is my caddy that I put in my bathroom. Okay. And then, let me shut this. I had to clean the plastic on this is getting kind of crappy. I gotta fix it. But then I have this. That's it. And I have I have some palettes that are eye palettes that are on this table here that I'm not gonna lift up. I probably have maybe 10 palettes or something, larger palettes, which I'm not really buying those anymore. I'm into the smaller stuff, so I don't have a lot of makeup. I don't keep it. I've handed stuff down to my daughter, and then makeup doesn't last forever, you guys. It doesn't. It starts to get bad. And when it gets bad, you gotta throw it out. Okay? So I'm going to go through this stuff, and some of this, like I said, is several years old, and I've been keeping it. I don't use it anymore. I'm not going to donate it because it's just nasty. I'm not going to donate my nasty ass used things, okay? If there's anything that is brand new, I would do that, but not some older stuff. So this is what I'm going to tell you. You've got to go through your stuff every so often. If you're not using it as decent, and you have a daughter or granddaughter or somebody like that you can pass it on to, but other than that, I try to control my makeup stuff. I do. I'm really picky, so there's a lot of stuff that I don't like. I share that with you guys, but I see these videos where people have like, I don't know, it looks like 200 lipsticks and stuff, and I just think, holy crap, like what the I just don't want to be that person. So I just don't. And that's why a lot of times you guys see me use a lot of the same lip liners and stuff too, because I really like them. And because I'm not going to buy that many. It's just ridiculous. That's just wasteful for me. So I'm going to go through this as fast as I can, and then I'm going to talk about stuff that's in here, okay? So this is from Scott Barnes. I bought this powder. It's the only thing I bought from him, and I won't buy anything else. I know people like his eye palettes and all that, but I just think he's overhyped. I think he's an amazing, don't get me wrong, he's an amazing makeup artist. For stage, he's freaking amazing. He is, without a doubt. He's great. I've seen his work. He's great. But I don't know. I'm just not into it. So anyways, very cheap, crappy plastic. I mean, just cheap for this, okay? And there was nothing special about this powder. Nothing. I never use it. I didn't like it. It did used to have a weird smell when I first got it too, and it kind of went away, but it's going away. This I really liked. This was from Lisa D's collection. I do really like it, but it broke, and it's just all gross. I'm surprised I'm actually doing this because this wasn't working. I wonder if I should keep this now. I don't know, but it looks kind of gross though. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of it. It just looks kind of like it got kind of gross. So I'm gonna get rid of it. I really like that color a lot. I hate this. This is Tarte. I've kept it for a while to do, really bad makeup, but it's to the point where I probably shouldn't put it on my face anymore. I hate this. This is the worst concealer ever, and I will tell you, I don't know what I was thinking. The color. I love this, but I'm tapped out. Like I'm to the bottom where I can't get any more. This is the Makeup Forever. I could keep using it, but it's just getting to the point where it's getting messy. So I'm just gonna throw it out, okay? But this is from Makeup Forever. This was a repurchase for me. I didn't purchase another one because I have so many powders right now. I just want to use what I have. You know what I mean? Like, I don't need another powder. I bought several recently, but this one's from Tatcha, and this one is the Silk Powder, I think is what it's called. The Silk Powder. This is a setting powder, but I actually use it as a finishing powder because it's so pretty on the skin. It's actually what I have on today. Love it. So I still set my makeup, but then I just put like a little bit like by my cheeks where, you know, your pores are maybe a little larger, and just to kind of soften my blush up a little bit. That's what I did. Love this. So, and I feel like I said, I have Chanel powder. I get this powder. I wasn't going to swear. I was going to say Chanel or something again. And then I have the Gucci powder. I have Laura Mercier powder. I got Charlotte Tilbury. Like, I'm good on powders. You know what I'm saying? Unless there's some amazing powder that comes along, I'm good. This lipstick I've had for like 4 years, and it's time to go. It's from Charlotte Tilbury, and it is in the color Very Victoria. I don't know. I just never. It's just dark. So, unfortunately, that's one I didn't use very much. This was from the Candy Johnson Too Faced I Want Candy. I almost don't want to get rid of it because it's so cute, but it's like, I don't know. What am I saving it for? Oh, this is Eylure Pro Magnetic stuff. I'm just going to get rid of this. This is like for magnetic lashes. That did not work out for me, so I'm just getting rid of that. This is from It Cosmetics. It was a lip gloss. I kind of liked it at first, but then I was like, it's got that shimmer in it. Yeah. I'm telling you, the only thing I like from It Cosmetics right now is that foundation. That's it. I have a Morphe brush. Why? I have no idea. I think I tried it one time. I thought I got rid of these, and I hate their brushes. Their brushes suck. I don't know how people say that these are great. They're not. Try Real Technique brushes. They're great. This, I feel like I'm done with it. Look how empty it is. This is from Chanel. I really enjoyed using this one. But I have other ones that I'm enjoying using, and one of them is Sisley. I don't need to have 50 different concealers, so I did not repurchase this one. But I did enjoy it because it has that peachy undertone, so I did enjoy using that. And then, what are these? Oh, this is that, what the? Oh, it's just a broken brush, so. I don't know what brush this is. I don't know what that is. This was just, I don't know. I tried to make this work for me, and I just, this is from Osmosis. I just really can't see it. You know which one's nicer? What I really love is this from Dior. So this is the Dior palette, and I don't, Backstage, this is the Backstage Glow Face palette, and I love it. I'm wearing some of it on me today, and that's the bronzer I'm wearing today, okay? I really like this. I think it's pretty. I didn't think I was going to like it. I thought, oh, if I don't like it, I'll just put it on my eyes, which I have worn on my eyes. Looks pretty too. But actually, it's really pretty, I feel like. I don't feel like you look at my face and it looks like I look like a disco ball or glowy, like, or glittery. I don't. Look. Let me see. See, I don't look like glittery. I love this. This one, no. I just felt like I didn't really see anything with it, so. And I've had that for a while. This is, this was from MAC. MAC used to, they were putting out some really crazy packaging, and I am a sucker for packaging. I mean, crazy good. And this was from winter of 2017 maybe? I think this might be 2017. Yeah, it's been a while. And so it's time to go. I was looking at it. It looks like it's got little bumps and stuff on it. It's like, oh no, it's time to go. It's time to go. I hate to throw it out, but this is what you have to remember. Is it going to just sit in your drawer? Are you just going to let it sit in your drawer and then you're not going to ever use it? Then why do you have it? Why? Then just get rid of it. Hand it down to somebody, or if it got crappy, then just get rid of it, okay? Seriously, don't keep it. This one I'm going to get rid of too because I feel like it's looking gross. If something looks gross, I got to get rid of it. So this is from Persona. This was actually gifted to me, but it's just looking kind of, I don't know. I feel like it's changed color and it's got all these little bumps and texture in there. I just don't want to take a chance with it on my face. I don't know what happened to it, but that's what I'm saying. Makeup doesn't last forever, you guys. I don't know how these people do it with drawers and drawers and drawers of makeup. Like, this was a blush I got. Oh my gosh. Again, this is old. And this is from Becca, and I am getting rid of it. I never use this. I never use it. I don't use it anymore. This is why I'm very careful about what makeup I buy. This I've used all that I can because I know at this point it's going to start breaking apart. So I'm going to throw this one out. This is my Charlotte Tilbury airbrushed. I love it, but I just know, I know it's going to happen. It's going to break apart. So this is from NARS. This was given to me and I hate it. And I'm just going to get rid of it now. I've had it for about 4 or 5 years. This is Daniel Sandler bronzer, and it's too dark for me. And I think it's gone bad, so I'm going to get rid of that. This I got from Jane Arundel, and it's like getting weird. It's not even that old. And it's like, I don't want to put it on my face. It's like turning color and just like, so I'm saying, you guys, go through your makeup, okay? Seriously. These were, yeah, I don't like these lashes. See these lashes? I bought them, and I think I bought a couple pair. And I might have worn these once. I'm sure I did. Yeah, I can tell I did. But see the thick band that it has on it? Those are so uncomfortable. I don't like thick band lashes. They're heavy on me. I can feel them. If you get a really nice lash, like the lashes that I like, and I'm not wearing them right now. These are my lashes. But when I do wear them, I like the MAC 33s. They're so light, you don't even feel like you're wearing any lashes. They're wonderful. These are just, ugh. I don't like thick bands like that. These are going to be disappointing. Now, this is what I have to tell you, and I think there's actually a couple other things that I've already tossed out. When you are getting clean makeup, when you are getting makeup that, well, it's clean makeup. When you get clean makeup, you have to be careful because it's not going to last you very long, okay? So I bought the concealer from Fit Glow Beauty. I bought the concealer and the peach corrector, which I really liked, but I had to toss them out because they were stanky. I mean, stanky. Like they had gone bad. So that's the thing about the clean beauty stuff is if you're into that, then you've got to be careful about how much stuff you're getting because that stuff does not last, okay? It doesn't. It doesn't last very long. So these, again, I'm getting rid of because these are kind of getting smelly and weird. This is the blush and the highlighter and the bronzer. It's disappointing that I'm getting rid of them, but sometimes you just can't keep stuff like that. This I freaking hate. This was my new Charlotte Tilbury. I tried this again recently. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it on my lips and see how it is. I hated it. It's awful. It's just an awful product. I'm not giving it to anybody. I'm just going to throw it out. I hate throwing it out. I'd rather return it, but once you open their stuff, you can't return it. That's why I like to order from Nordstrom. They're really good. If you get something and it's not working out for you, you send it back. I like that. These were disappointed. The only thing that's worked for me so far from Fenty has been the, I haven't tried everything, so I haven't tried the eyeshadow, but I've tried these two, which I can't. So I'm not even going to show you the inside, but the cream blush and the cream blush and the bronzer I'm getting rid of because they just don't last on me. What is the point of keeping something and putting it on if it's just going to come off my face? It's not going to stay. What's the point? Yeah. What's the point of it? So I'm getting rid of it. I like their glosses, but I don't like the blush and this. I haven't tried any eyeshadows, so I don't know. I haven't tried their foundations, so I don't know. But I'm just telling you, as far as that's like, that's been a big disappointment for me. So those are all things that I'm getting rid of. Again, go through your makeup. If you have stuff in your makeup, I hate to say collection, but if you have stuff in your makeup, whatever, stash, you need to go through it every once in a while, okay? Eyeshadows I got to go through. I have some eyeshadow palettes that I'm probably going to have to get rid of pretty soon. I'm not doing it yet, but I'm getting to the point where I'm going to have to. Because you don't want to put eyeshadow on if you're going to get an eye infection or whatever. You have to be really careful with that. So like I said, I know you see a lot of people on YouTube. I don't know if it's like a hoarding thing. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm serious. Like, I don't know what it is. But it's like you can't possibly keep all that makeup. I mean, you can't keep 50 lipsticks. And then I'll see a big pile and they're going to throw it out. Like, that's all I got. That's not even that much. But I try to use up what I have. And I do get things. I don't know. Just, You guys know I'm the voice of reason. Whenever I share stuff on my channel, I'm not that channel that says, you need this, you need this. That's not me. I don't tell you guys that. I don't want you to waste your money. I appreciate you guys when you use my affiliate links because that helps me to be able to purchase more products to share with you guys. But I'm not expecting that from you. I appreciate it. I'm not expecting it from you. So just make sure that you're going through your stuff and cleaning it all out. Okay? Because you don't want to use old makeup and have some kind of skin reaction or something. You really do have to go through it more often what you see. I do think it lasts a little bit longer than what it says on the package. You know, a lot of times it'll say like 24 months and you can get a little bit longer, but I still think you have to be careful. I know you see influencers on here. You just use your own judgment. That's all I'm going to say. I think some things can last longer than what it says on that too, so you don't have to panic, but just use common sense. If it starts to look weird or smells weird or something, just toss it. Just get rid of it. Even if I'm getting rid of stuff that I have hardly even used. Highlighters are one of those things that I think they're harder to go through because you're not going to go crazy with highlighter. You know what I mean? It's like I wish they'd put highlighters like in a little thing like this. You know what I mean? Like you don't need to have a big highlighter because it's like it's going to take you forever to get through the highlighter and you're probably not going to use all the product up. You know? Thank you guys so much for joining me. Really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. Glow Flace.